you some drippy clothes. Hey, girl. What the hell's going on? Anyways, does this look drip? Yes. Now you're half naked. Let me get you some drippy clothes. Ooh, you can be a bee. Shh. You can be a buzzy bee. I recommend not. You can be a sweater. Come here. Come here. Now you look drippy. Hey, slay. You know what? You took